Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 4 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. So today we're going to talk about UI kits inside of Adobe XD. So inside of Adobe XD, what you can see is that you get an option called Adobe Get UI Kits inside of the menu, a menu option. So over here you can download iOS, Google Material and Windows UI kits directly from the software itself. What you can also do is you can go to Google and search for Adobe XD UI kits, and it'll bring you some beautiful UI kits that you can use for your project. So over here you can see that I've already downloaded the UI kits for Windows, for iPhone and Android itself. So I'm going to open the one for Android. So just double click this and you can see that another iteration of the software actually opens up without closing this one down. So this one is actually for Android itself. So you can see that there's a lot of UI elements over here that you can use. So the easy way to use it is like, let's say for example, this is for iOS, I guess. All right. So anyways, so if I want to use the UI kits over here, so the easy way, I'm just holding my middle mouse button by holding the Alt key to move this canvas around. The easy way to use is by using the copy paste icon. So let me just see the icon that I can use. For example, over here. All right. So let's say I want to use this icon right here. So let's just press Control C and Control V over here, and you can see that it gets placed in place. So I can resize this, as you can see, just like this, and I got my Android phone right here. And if I want other UI elements, for example, I want something like this message box right here. Just double click on this, Control C and Control V, and you can see that I got my UI kit right here. All right. So I can actually just drag and drop and create an application without actually having to manually design anything if I want to. So if I want this, I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste this. All right, so I'm just going to go back over here. I'm just going to select all of this, copy, and paste this out right here. And you can see that I can paste this in place and resize this just like that. All right, and I can also edit these out. So let's say this is going to be my app, and you can see that I can easily create an interface just like that by using the UI kit. So you can see that everything is quite easy, and you can just copy and paste this, and that is what UI kits are for. So it helps you to create designs for apps really quickly and easily without having you to design everything from scratch. So your works becomes much more faster. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.